YouTube? What's up, KiaaNationn? It's your girl Shakia, and I'm back with another banger video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe right now and make sure you turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I drop a banger. Okay, so y'all, all right. I asked y'all in my community tab, do y'all want a 4th of July vlog? Y'all voted yes, so why not? So okay, so right now it is Friday, July 2nd. I am going to work. So I do work in the morning and at night on Fridays for a lot of y'all who may not know. So right now I'm in the car. I'm going to work right now. Yeah, and then after I'm going to go get my nails done because
oh my god,
they need it done. Okay, I'm gonna try to vlog that. So right now, yeah, I'm in the car. My dad actually went to one of his sites because I think we're finished, so he's just getting the remaining stuff. I just wanted to film an intro because it was just like, you know, I know y'all tired of me doing, you know, intros in the house, so I just thought, why not do it in the car? You know what I'm saying? If you guys haven't seen my car tour, I will put it in the iCards. Okay, make sure you guys go check it out. So yeah, okay, period. But yeah, so right now I'm in the car. It's 8:16. Dad needs to hurry because I do need to go to work. So I don't know, it's taking so long. I'll probably catch y'all either back at home or at the nail salon because I need to get these nails done and these toes done. So I just hope it's nice to where I can be able to like wear a dress or whatever. I have to check the forecast, but yeah. So if you guys like this video, thumbs it up. Okay, comment down below what you guys think of it. Okay, because we gonna get lit. Okay, period. I gotta do this hair. I didn't really do my hair. I just put in a scarf so it looks neat, you know, not too crazy, because I really didn't feel like doing my hair. It's almost that time of the month, y'all. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all when we at the nail salon or whatever. I'll come in and pick the camera back up. All right, see y'all in the next clip.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. All right, so it's like a day later and it's like at night right now. It is 7, hold on, it is 7:40 right now. I didn't do anything today, which kind of sucks. Yeah, right now I'm playing The Sims right now. Okay, while I was watching Nina Elizabeth, shout out to her. Okay, yeah, well, I'm talking to my ROD about these mods because I need to put some more mods and like custom content like on my channel. Like, I don't know if I can get copyrighted for this music that's playing that Sims be bugging about. Hold on. So yeah, I had to turn that down because I don't know if I get copyrighted. But yeah, so I'm just playing The Sims. I'm trying to see, I just put some CC custom content on my Sims, so I just want to make sure that it's there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, yo, comment down below if y'all think I should make a Sims YouTube channel. A lot of people been telling me that I should, but the thing is, y'all, I don't know how to like get a recording software on this computer because I do have an HP computer. Yeah, and I'm thinking about purchasing a new computer very soon. It's either a MacBook or iMac. I don't really know, but sorry about the lighting as well. Comment down below if you guys think I should do a Sims YouTube channel, because one, I've been seeing a lot of people. I don't know if y'all heard that, but it sounded like somebody dropped a whole something on the floor. Like, but anyway, yeah, I've been really thinking about making a Sims YouTube channel. Like this video and comment down below if you guys will like that, because I don't know. But the last time y'all had seen me was that I was getting my nails done. That was yesterday. Today is Saturday. So yeah, tomorrow is the real, you know what I'm saying, the real excitement, because baby, tomorrow 4th of July, okay? Like, period. I'm thinking I'm gonna go get an outfit, so I'm gonna probably take y'all with me, but I'm gonna make sure I go. I should have went today. I don't think no place is gonna be open. Oh, I should have went today. Nah, it's all right, because I got some cute fits in that closet right there that I haven't got a chance to use or wear yet. So hopefully I'm gonna put an outfit together. Why didn't I notice that? I didn't do anything all day today. I should have went to go get a 4th of July outfit. Like, wait till the last minute. Yeah, let me tell y'all the agenda that's supposed to be going on for tomorrow. So tomorrow is obviously 4th of July, but by the time y'all see this, I'm gonna try to get this up on 4th of July. Ain't no guarantee. I'll probably get it up on Monday. We're going to my uncle's house. My uncle actually invited us to a cookout. So that's tomorrow at 2, right? And at my new neighborhood, they're actually doing fireworks from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we're gonna try to come back in time to actually catch that. So I'm really excited. So yo, just make sure y'all stay tuned, because tomorrow is the really lit day. Like, today was like calm, chill day, even though I felt like 4th of July should have been like on a Monday or a Saturday. It's like mad trash because it's on a Sunday. But yes, I'm really excited for tomorrow. So either that, I'm gonna catch y'all either tomorrow or later on tonight, y'all. All right, bye. It ain't a full body booty. Yeah, y'all get the picture. I'm laying my edges down so they get flat. And I got these on that I bought a year ago that I didn't get a chance to wear. Stay tuned for the IG pictures. Period.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
You just a feeling like you ain't no sense. I know I was Shit.
paid for something.
You got paid for something.
No, I said I almost paid for something. Dad and Cookie looking at me. Huh?
Belly, extra belly looking like something.
Daddy.
You gotta edit that, you know that?
No.
Without you
Every
cursing.
time she leave me in there, I didn't cuss this time.
You ain't curse.
I just said extra belly, 4th of July. Extra
Say hi.
belly. Hey.
Hey, daycare teachers, do that shit.
Thank God ain't no juice.
Look, they looked it too. Get it right, get it right.
Let me tell you. You're going on YouTube, you know that, right? But it's What happened?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Hey y'all, so we just left the cookout. So it was all over the place. My hands always do that. But yeah, we're gonna go see the fireworks in a bit. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. I tell my dad to turn music down. So my dad's phone, we have mad food. My uncle done blessed us with mad food. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next clip.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
So we're getting ice cream, you guys. And then while we was walking, we found the phone. Look, Cookie, show. Cookie, show the phone. We found the phone. I found the phone on the floor. So I don't know. Hopefully somebody calls it. We're gonna pick it up and tell them that we have it. Ooh, they got Dasher. So we got ice cream. I didn't even end the recording. I just threw the phone in there.
I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want